This is the faux homesteader here back at the cabin. Just prior to Christmas, the guys came and finished some work that had to be done on the logs of the cabin itself, the deck, the shower, and the back door. So here's just a tour to show you what was complete. Let me take you up here to the front porch. If you remember in a previous video, I showed you that some logs had some rot on them, and so those have been fixed and replaced. They went around the entire cabin and filled in the chinking where there was gaps. Here's one of the logs. You can see the difference in the color of the logs that were replaced that had some rot in them. And so as we go around the cabin, you'll see these changes in color of the log in several areas, and those are the ones that have been fixed. So we'll walk around to the side and the back of the cabin. So all around the cabin, the chinking has been repaired, so now the cabin should be pretty much sealed up so it won't leak any hot air because it is winter time. But you can see chinking looks really good now. Looks really nice. So let me show you the deck area. I won't go on top of the deck because there's a little bit of ice on it. But what they did was, if you can see up near the door, that bottom two rows of the logs were rotted because the old deck sat just at the level of the back door, which means that you can see there's no overhang on the roof. So when it rained, the water came straight down and it kind of rested on the deck, and it sat up against the bottom two row of logs, I should say. So what they did was they lowered the deck and added that step so that the level of the deck was below the level of the first course of logs, as you can see now. That way, when it rains, it'll come down on the deck, but it won't rot the logs. It'll just kind of be below the level of the log. So that's good. As you can see here, let's walk around. Now the deck is actually usable. Before, the deck itself, all of the logs were rotten and they were breaking through when you put weight on them. So they replaced these boards here on the deck, and they added this kind of a trim along the railing, which will be nice if you want to come out here. This is wide enough where you can set some drinks on it. But you can see all the logs they replaced that had some rot to them, and they put the new chinking on. So this is really great. They also replaced the back door and the door jamb, which had some rot on it at the bottom because of the rotten logs that were next to it. And therefore the back door was very hard to open because of the rotted logs. It was no longer square. So you can see now that it's a new back door, which is looking really good. So let's go around to the front. Just the side of the cabin had some areas that needed some chinking that needed replaced. So this side of the cabin, they just went around and added chinking where it was needed. So let's go inside and I'll show you what was done on the interior. Alright, so that was the interruption in the video, so I turned it back on. Okay, so let's look inside. There were some logs on the interior that needed replaced, not too many. But as you can see up there, this piece of a last log was replaced. It had some damage to it and some rot to it, so that was replaced. And I think on the interior that was pretty much it, except they went around and added some chinking where it was needed. So let me swing around. So here's the back door that leads out to the back deck. And what I asked them to do also was replace the shower. So as you can see, the shower looks really nice. They added new fixtures. Let me show you the shower. Maybe I can get up close here. You open it this way and enter into the shower. This is, I believe, a 34 by 34 foot or 34 by 34 inch shower. They added some tile for the backsplash. Here's some new fixtures they added. The shower head is not the shower head that I purchased, so I will have them swap that out for the one that I bought. But as you can see, it looks really nice. So what I'm going to do is, I think that tile is what I'm going to use for the bathroom. And I think once it's all in, it'll look really nice against the black shower. So let's swing around and I'll show you the shower head that I purchased. And this shower has a wand, a detachable wand to it, so that I'll be able to take that off the wall and use it. So here's the shower head that I will have him put in today, hopefully. And here's the detachable wand. That'll be able to take off from the shower head and use. So I think that'll look really nice. I'm trying to think, was there anything else that they did? They did something a little bit extra. This window needed repair because you see how it was cut here and it was cut here. And because it was cut, this piece of metal was folded flat because the previous owner had a window air conditioning unit that he used, and I guess it didn't fit, so this is how he got it to fit. But I wanted that bent back up, and I didn't actually tell the guys working to do it, and they just automatically did it, which I thought was great. And they probably noticed it because you could see here, this is one of the logs that was on the outside that had some rot to it that they had to replace. So then they probably noticed the window and just decided to fix it. So I think that's it. Over here is another log that's kind of high. It's not the bottom log. You can see the first course down there that needed to replace, but here's another log that they replaced because of some rot to it. So what I'll have to do, I think, is stain the cabin on the outside. The interior is stained. As you can see, it's stained with some type of pretty wood color, kind of an orangish color. But the outside of the cabin, the logs are not stained, and that probably led to some of the rot and the weathering that is observed. It's definitely a different color, as you can tell. What I'll need to do is stain the cabin so that I can prevent future rot, and it will be protected from exposure of the elements. And also what I'll need to do is stain the deck, but that will come at a later time point. So I just wanted to give you a tour. Once again, I'm going to leave you with this image of the new shower, which I'm really thrilled about. I just wanted to show you the updates. This was the last major repair that I was waiting on. I could not put down tile or any type of flooring or really do much else inside the cabin until this was done. And so now this is done. So now I'll be able to kind of finish up what I'm going to do inside the cabin in terms of getting it ready for use. As you can see, there is no flooring down, so all of the flooring will have to go down. I'll paint. See, this is just sheetrock, just white sheetrock. I'll paint this wall. And then also, it's kind of hard to see in the kitchen. It's a little bit messy. The box from the shower was left inside. But you can see here that when I took out the kitchen cupboards, I'll have to replace those, and I plan to do that pretty soon. I'll probably start work in the kitchen and kind of work myself out. So I just wanted to give you an update on the work, the last of the work that will be hired out at this point. And now it's just up to me to kind of get the cabin finished. So once again, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.